Hello and welcome to the trade setup. Today we are looking at Adobe, where we finished the wave 1 here, and it doesn't matter if the wave 1 is the one that started here or here. We are looking more on that later. For now, we are focusing more on the internal third wave that has a wave 1 finished, a wave 2 finished, and is now working on the third wave. And the third wave has a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4 still in the making, with a fifth wave to follow. And of course, it's possible that the fourth wave has already finished here in this correction, but due to the proportions of the second wave here, I am more in favor of the yellow count, in which we are still forming the wave C to the downside in yellow. The ideal target for the C wave here would be the 100% extension of the A wave, which is right here at $247. It is right below some price action support zone, and yeah, sure, we might hit this and react directly before reaching the 100% extension. We can see more on that when we get closer to it. In the yellow count, we have a wave 1 down here, a wave 2 up, a wave 3 that is possibly finished but also possibly still ongoing, with then a fourth wave and a fifth wave to follow. Of course, yeah, it's also possible that the third wave has already finished and we are now in this fourth wave, but for now I am tracking to see if this resistance holds and we form a lower low on the third wave directly. If not, of course, we can move the support zone for the whole third wave being this move down, but yeah, we will see about that when we break it and if we break it. So anyway, I am expecting in yellow count one more low at least in the fifth wave, which should take us significantly lower anyway. On the other hand, for the directly bullish scenario, we have the orange count, in which we had a wave 1 up here. So wave 1 up, wave 2 down, and we found support in the orange box just above the 78.6% retracement, right around the price action level, which we previously had on 11th of May or so, 2023. Now, after the move up, we did have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and a wave 3 up, with a wave 4 possibly finished, and we will now be looking for the fifth wave. If this forms 5 waves, and we get 3 waves down, then we get a really nice entry. Whoops, since we do have a wave 1 2 1 2 setup, which is probably the best case you would hope for in any trade using Elliott wave theory. However, until we do form it, we are still looking for lower. We could directly be going lower, but we have the levels. If we break above the 61.8% retracement, we can consider the third wave has finished and look for new levels of resistance. And if we break the 50% retracement here at $378.81, we are looking for more direct lower prices. And once we form this low, well, sure, I could give you the target for the case that the wave 4 has finished here and we are in the orange scenario, and that would be quite a bit above the last high at around $700, the all-time high for this chart. It would be around $1,160. If we form a new low, I will have to adjust that, but we are looking anyway at a quite nice reward in both cases for new all-time highs. So this is the trade setup. You have the support zones, you have the resistance zones, and I will update you when it needs doing so, when the scenarios shift or one scenario becomes more probable than the other. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what else you want me to cover in the comments, and I'll try to do my best doing so. I will continue to update you on this chart and others that I have been publishing, but for now this is the trade setup, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.